All right, today we're gonna bring these shell making or baking. If you want, you can make your hard shell tacos with this. Tostadas is very good, very popular right now. Where you put a tortilla in here, it expands and it becomes the actual bowl. So now they come in pair of fours, but I'm gonna only use three right now. We're gonna get a plate first because if you have flour tortillas, they're not flexible. They won't go in properly until you push them in a little bit. What I like to do is add oil to them, all right, on both sides, oil. And we're gonna do that right now. I'm gonna show you. So if you can't get them blended, a little, it's too hard, put them on the microwave, all right? We get olive oil. Olive oil. Brush. Gives that a little crunchy taste, all right? Flip it. And that's it. So you guys see it. Now you grab your shell taco casing, all right? Put it in there. So I'm gonna show you how to put it in there right now. So the same thing, push it down, all right? Don't force it or it's gonna blend, it's gonna break, right? So see how I didn't get that corner? Evened it out. It's all lean on one side, it's okay. There we go. That's perfectly even right there. Oven. Right, so our shells are ready. We're gonna put them to cool off. I'm gonna make some room up here. Let's cool them off. So there's one shell. Beautiful. That's one. Next one, two. And then three. We're gonna let them cool off before we take them out of the actual tray. These are canned beans. We're gonna microwave them because we're gonna do real quick. Now what I like to do is add cheese on them. All right. A little bit of milk. That's good. We added our cheese or milk. Now we're gonna mix it. And these are canned beans, all right? But a little trick is that it gives a good flavor when you microwave. You want to do something real quick with them, even little tacos and stuff. Disguise the flavor. Now don't add salt because they already have a lot of salt to begin with. But mix everything in there. Add as much cheese as you want. But this is great when you're gonna do something real quick. This is microwavable dish that I have. But I'm gonna integrate everything, and I'm not ready to put in the microwave yet. But I'm still waiting for the ingredients. But it's a little trick in case you guys want to know how to get rid of some flavor. If you're not lactose intolerant, this is perfect for you guys. All right, let's see if this thing took on its shape now that it cooled off. Look at that beautiful tostada. Now, all we have to just put these in the dishwasher. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, I said. Ooh, look at this beautiful homemade shell. I don't even know where to start on this one. It looks good. It looks so beautiful, I don't even want to eat it, but we must. So, start somewhere. Oh my God, this is. You hear that crunch? That's the sound of my heart. Because it's good. Oh man, I don't even know where to start on this one. I'm gonna start taking it apart. Come on, break apart. It doesn't want to let. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm.